So we're looking at CAT 2019 paper slot 1, set 3. Now, there are always easy and tough sets in the exam. The key is to identify easy sets. So this I would consider as one of the easier sets. So we have digits A to K represented by 0 to 9 and they're given the addition. Normally the easiest thing to look at is the first digit or the last digit. If I look at the last digit, F plus F equal to F, the only possibility where F plus F equal to F is 0. So we can say 0 plus 0 will be equal to 0. That's the only possibility. You take any number, you cannot add up to get the same number in the addition format. Coming to last digit, A is carry forward. You look at B plus A, maybe maximum one more carry forward will give you A. So in that case, A can be either 1 or 2, not more than that. Not possible. Now we know if A is 1 or 2, B plus A cannot be 20, even if there's carry forward. If A is 2 also, okay, B is 9 maximum, 9 plus 2, 11, no matter what carry forward, cannot go 20. So we can definitely make out that A is 1 for sure. A can't be 2 because 22, B plus A cannot go 22. So this is the values we have right now. What else now? We just put those values first. F is 0, A is 1, A is 1, F is 0, A is 1. This is what we have. Now you can go in any sequence. Let's go with right to left the way we add. So G plus K should give you 1. So G and K cannot be 0 or 1. So that means G plus K should give you 11. So G plus K I can definitely say is 11. I'll write it down. So from that we get 1 carry forward. So 1 plus 1 plus 0 will give you 2. So we know C is 2. Now A plus J equal to G. So A is 1. So we can say that 1 plus J is equal to G from this data. Right? And H plus H is 0. Only possibility is that 5 plus 5 is 0. You can make out easily H and H is 5 and 5. Now 1 carry forward out here. If it's 1 carry forward, B has to be 9. 9 plus 1 plus 1 will give you 11. So we have almost all the numbers which are there possible. We have put it up. Now we have only two equations which are left which we don't know the values of. First, let's try to identify what numbers are left. So we know 0, 1, 2 is over. So 3 is left. 4 is left. 5 is over. 6 is left. 7 is left. 8 is left. 9 is over. So these are the 5 numbers left. Now we'll try to put in these equations and try to see which are the possible values. I'll start with I plus J is G because G will be 1 more than J. So what are the possible values of J? It can be 3, in which case G will be 4. It can be 6, in which case G's value is 7. It can also be 7 where G's value is 8. So we get 3 values of G, 4, 7 and 8. So if G is 4, 7 and 8, what will be K? In that case, first case K will be 7, second case K will be 4, third case K will be 3. So I have 3 possibilities for these numbers. But I have put up all the data, got the answers. Now let's look at which digit does letter A represent? 1. Even if I don't solve the whole set, it is easy to get 1. You can directly mark 1. I only look at last and first, I'll get 1. Even B is not difficult to find out. 9. Only way you can get 11 is 9 plus 1 plus 1. So B will be 9. You don't have to solve the whole thing. You can easily get B by just looking at the last addition. These two are tricky. Which among the digits 3, 4, 6, 7 cannot be represented by D? Now D is not among the numbers. Right? So which and 3, 4, 6, 7 are all here. So I come back to it. Let's go to the last one. Which among the digits 4, 6, 7, 8 cannot be represented by G? 4, 7, 8 it can represent. So the answer for this will be 6. So I've got 3. So I'll come back to this question. Which among the digits 3, 4, 6, 7 cannot be represented by D? So we got 4 cases out here. In the first case, what numbers were represented by IJG? It was 3, 4 and 7. Second case, it was 6, 7 and 4. Third case, it was 7, 8 and 3. So if you notice properly, 7 is used in all of these 3 values. That means 7 has to be one of these 3 for sure. That means 7 cannot be D. So 7 is the answer. 7 is then all the part of the equation. So 7 has to be one of these 3 numbers for sure in all the 3 combinations. So which means D, which is not part of this combination, cannot be 7. So we get the answers. Systematically try to solve. It's easy to get the answers. Learn to identify easy set. Normally, the multiplication addition sometimes becomes tough, but this was completely easier. A multiplication type is normally tougher than an addition type in these cases. But yes, it's a very small set. You can glance through it and make out that it's an easy set. Sitters should always be taken care of. Thank you.